So as you can see, I have emptied the shelves and I have piled all the books in one place. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go through each of the book, take each of the book in your hand, and you are going to see if you need it. So do you want to keep this or you want to give it? So for all the books we are going to do this. So now my kids are not in, they are grown up and they're not been using this book. So you can think of either any kids who can use these books if they are not fully used. Sometimes our kids, they don't complete the whole book. So it can be used for the other kids also. So this can go to someone. So like this you have to go through each of the books and make a separate pile for each sections, the books that you want to give away and the books that you want to keep. You can see this is a full set books that I had got for my kids, but I think now it's time for them to go, because most of the time the kids don't refer to books. Now they have Google to refer to. So I think this has to go to a library. So as you can see, I have made different piles of books. So this is the pile of books that I am going to keep. Okay. So this is going to go to a library as a donation. This pile of books, it can be used by kids that I know, and this is a pile of books that are going for recycling. So this is how I have separated each of the books. And now we will see how to organize the books that we need. So before we organize this pile of books that I want to keep, I'm going to put all these books in the boxes, and so that they can go out of the house to their respective places. So you can see that from that big pile of books we have come down to this. So these are the only books that I was needing, but I had so many books just lying there which actually should have gone out of my house. So now it's easy for me to just take care of this many books. So now what I'm going to do is, before I organize in the shelves, I'm going to separate them. I'm going to make categories of this book. So I'm going to keep story books in one place, maybe the books that are on information or science fictions. So I will make categories accordingly, and then the books will go in its place. So another way that you can organize these books is also by color. If you don't want to sort all the books by its categories, or you can sort it by colors and you can organize it by colors. That also looks very nice. Okay, so let's start with now separating each books into categories. So you can see I have created different categories for books. Like this are This is a section of all Hindi and Marathi storybooks. Then this is English storybooks. Now this section I have made for like information section, the books that will give informations on different subjects. Okay, now this is again one section which I have kept all the books related to concepts. Now this is a section of art and activity for kids, and this section I have kept it mixed because of the size of the books. Okay, so I'm going to keep them separately. Now when I was again creating categories, I found that there were some books that I don't need, so then I have again kept them separately for donation. So now let us organize these books in the bookshelf. So now after cleaning this section, the bookshelf, now we are going to organize it so you can see each compartments. So I will use each compartment for each category, so it will be easier for me to locate the books also, and not only me, for anyone else who uses. So we have finished organizing the books. As you can see, I have organized the books by its categories. Now it is easy for me to locate the books, and not only for me but for my kids too. And also, if you can see, because we have decluttered the books, we have kept only the books that we need. So now it will be easy for me to maintain this section. So the most important point here we should remember is that whatever we do, whenever we organize anything, it should be easy to maintain. I hope this video was useful to you. See you next Saturday with a new video on organizing. Bye.